I'm standing on a forested mountain. The mountain is draped in a lush. I feel like I'm standing in a verdant paradise. The mountains are the perfect place to be the most relaxed. While climbing, you enjoy the breathtaking view and the tranquility of nature. In winter, the mountain transforms into a snow-capped giant, still serene and majestic. Hiking through the mountain lets my stress go. I like mountain climbing. What about you? Have you ever climbed a mountain? Write me in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe.